Okay, cooking on the dime with some things that you can find on sale at Food City this week. Food City has a phenomenal deal on red seedless grapes. Just 57 cents a pound is what you're gonna pay. But that sale is only good on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. In addition to that, you can also get ground beef on sale for $1.77 a pound during that same sale. So I decided with red grapes, we're gonna make pasta, sausage, or ground beef with red grapes. Super easy to make, super simple, should take a total of maybe 30 minutes, not much prep time. So what you're gonna need are these following ingredients right here. You'll need about 8 to 10 ounces of pasta, which also Food City has that on sale, but they're in smaller packets, they're only 5 ounces, and they're 7 for $1 on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it's a good deal, but not a smoking deal. You can also, I decided to cook this with sausage. So you're gonna need either a half a pound of ground beef that's spiced up or sausage breaked up into little pieces. So you first wanna cook your sausage, you wanna cook your pasta, then you wanna take 2 cups of red grapes. Now the recipe I'm showing you right here is just half of it because I already have half of it made. So all you need to simply do is once your pasta and your ground beef is made, set those aside, and then you're gonna want to get a pan where you can add your ingredients. So you wanna add about a tablespoon of oil, and I'm just gonna go with measurement here. And then you want to cook up your garlic, which you're gonna need about 2 cloves of garlic, which when you have your garlic ground up like this, it's gonna come out to just 1 simple teaspoon. You wanna cook that up for a little bit so it's brown, and I'm gonna run through this really quick and I'll show you what the final product looks like. So you wanna cook that up so it's nice and brown and crispy. Add a little salt in there. Then you also need to have 1 cup of vegetable broth or chicken broth that you wanna add in there. And what I use is bouillon, and I add a cup because it's less money that way. You can get a packet for about $1.50, and that cooks it up. And then what you wanna do is you wanna add your grapes. You wanna cook that all up till the water is boiling. And then once it's all done, so this is gonna take about 10 minutes to cook, then you wanna add your pasta. Put that in there, mix that all up, and then you're also going to add your sausage or ground beef, and you're gonna mix that all up, and voila, in about 15 minutes, you'll have dinner made. But the reason why I said it takes about 30 minutes is because you have to cook the pasta and the meat ahead of time, and then you put it all together in the pan, and you'll have this lovely dish. Now, for garnishing, you can use a little bit of parsley and some Parmesan cheese, and this is what your final dish is gonna look like. This serves 4 after you follow the recipe, and it's gonna cost you just a little bit under $5 with the items that you'll find on sale. If you wanna cook it with sausage, well, that depends on the cost that you pay, but I factored in about $2 to $3 more, so your total cost with sausage is gonna be around $7 to $8. So not a bad deal for 30 minutes worth of cooking. I'll have all the information, the full recipe, just head to my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com, and don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.